What's going on, everybody? My name's Billy, and today I'm going to teach you how to use a flint and steel, and we're starting right now. First thing you're going to need is some char cloth like this, which we also made in a previous video. I'll leave the link in the description. Also, what you're going to need is a flint and steel kit like this. We made this in a previous video, and I'll leave the link in the description. And last but not least, you're going to need a tinder bundle like this dry grass here. Alright, so the first way you want to do it is with your char cloth on top like this. There we go. See if you guys can see that. You want to take and put it in your tinder bundle. Wrap it up. And then give it some blows. Boom. So now the second way you can do it is you can actually throw sparks down into your char cloth. So what you want to do is you want to take your flint in your dominant hand. For me, it's my right hand, and your striker in your left hand, or your non-dominant hand. And you simply just take it and force it down. Just like that. Alright, so I hope you guys have a better understanding on how to use your flint and steel. With these two methods, anybody can do it, trust me. Alright, if you like this kind of stuff, hit the like button for me. And if you didn't like it, hit the dislike button for me twice, would you? Alright, till next time, Billy out.